Are you ready for the next leap in tablet technology? The iPad Mini 7 is on the horizon and it's packing some serious surprises. But before you hit that buy button, let's explore why waiting might just be your smartest move. Dive in with us as we uncover the 6 compelling reasons to hold off and embrace the future. The iPad Mini 7 is highly anticipated, but there are compelling reasons to consider upgrading to another tablet model as well. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. When looking for a new tablet, consider Apple's range, which includes the entry-level iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Air, and iPad Mini. The iPad Mini is ideal for those needing a highly portable device. Currently, the iPad Mini 6 is the top model in the iPad Mini family, but this is expected to change later this year. While the iPad Mini 7 doesn't have a set release date or feature list yet, respected analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman confirm its development. Though we may not see a massive redesign, at least one major change is rumored. This puts potential buyers in a dilemma: purchase the iPad Mini 6 or another tablet now, or wait to see what Apple releases next. Number 1, enhanced performance. The most significant expected change for the iPad Mini 7 is a more powerful processor. Kuo suggests a new version with an updated chip, possibly the A16 Bionic, which would offer performance improvements such as better battery life and faster overall speed. This upgrade is crucial for a portable device like the iPad Mini. Number 2, premium option at a lower cost. For those desiring a new iPad without a high price tag, the iPad Mini 7 is worth considering. The iPad Mini 6, launched in September 2021, is aging. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to be cheaper than the iPad Pro and iPad Air base models, making it an economical choice for a newer model with better hardware and software support. Number 3, camera upgrades. Leaks suggest the iPad Mini 7 will feature improved rear and front cameras, although specifics are unclear. The iPad Mini 6 has a 12-megapixel rear camera with an f1.8 aperture and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with an f2.4 aperture. Enhancements might come in the form of new software features. Number 4, fixing the jelly scrolling issue. The iPad Mini 6 had complaints about jelly scrolling. Apple claims this is typical for LCD displays, but it can be annoying. Rumors indicate that the iPad Mini 7's screen assembly will be adjusted to reduce this issue. And number 5, Apple Pencil Pro Compatibility. The new Apple Pencil Pro currently works with the iPad Pro M4 and iPad Air 6, not the iPad Mini 6. The iPad Mini 7 might offer compatibility with this accessory, enhancing its appeal for users needing advanced stylus support. Number 6, new color options. If the current iPad Mini colors don't excite you, waiting for the iPad Mini 7 could be worthwhile. Rumors suggest new colors may be introduced in 2024, potentially aligning with the iPhone 15's color scheme, including black, blue, green, pink, and yellow. In conclusion, deciding whether to buy now or wait depends on your needs and preferences. The iPad Mini 7 promises significant upgrades, but current models like the iPad Mini 6 remain strong options. This is all what we have in today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. See you next one. Peace out.